Tired of laggy Discord voice channels? Learn how to manually change your server region for crystal clear audio in under a minute. First, open Discord and navigate to your server. Then we'll adjust the region override in the voice channel settings. Go ahead and open Discord. Then navigate to your server by selecting it from the left sidebar. Hover over the voice channel, then click the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Overview tab until you see the Region Override section. Now click the drop-down menu, which is currently set to Automatic, and choose your preferred region from the list. Finally, click Save Changes to apply the new region, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.